Hello, Tashidele to everyone. Welcome back learning basic Tibetan grammar. So here we have Dokjin Shi, that means is 4 subscribes letter, and which are the first one is Yatak. We have Yatak, and second one is Latak, and third one is Ratak. In previous video, we have learned those are Yatak and Latak and Ratak. So today we are going to learn Watak. Okay. So there are 12 Watak. Okay. 12 subscribes letter. So which are, you can see here. So those are Watak Jungi. 12 subscribes later. Okay. Ka, ka, ga, nya, ta, ta, ca, za, sha, sa, ra, sa. Okay. Those are 12 wata. So you can see here 30 consonants, and from the 30 consonants only 12 letter can have Wassur. So Wassur, this one is we call Wassur, and we previously we learned Watak. So why we have to call the Wassur when we read like Ka Wassur Ka, Ka Wassur Ka, Ga Wassur Ga, Nya Wassur Nya, Ta Wassur Ta, Ta Wassur Da, Ca Wassur Ca, Za Wassur Za, Sha Wassur Sha, Sa Wassur Sa, Sa Wassur Sa. So this is pronounced as a Wassur. The Wassur meaning is just the edge of this letter, maybe tiny part of this letter put under of those 12 letter. See, that is called a Wassur. Literally mean is edge. So we might be wondering why we have to put this Wassur with those 12 letters. The reason is that because if you put this Wassur with this 12 letter, it indicate different meanings. If you don't put, and it has a different meaning. For example, like a ka, if you don't put this Wassur with ka, literally meaning is mouth. I mean is without Wassur. Ka meaning is mouth, that we learned in previous video. If you put Wassur, that meaning is referring to a crow, the bird crow. Okay, like for example this one, without the Wassur, ca can meaning is like hot. The weather is hot. The tea is hot. Ca. But if you put Wassur, so that mean is like a salt. When you eat food, you put a lot of salt in salty. So that meaning is now Wassur indicate meaning is salt. So that is the reason to make different meaning. Okay, so we will learn this. Okay, let's start next one. Okay, here meaning of words. Okay, we learned the meaning. Here we have a ka Wassur. Kai. The meaning is calling someone who is same age or younger than you. Kai. Kai dokpo. Something, yes. And this have to, so this we have to remember who is same age or younger than you. Okay. Kai. Ka. Wasurka. Yarimbuyi. Kai. Ka wasurka. Ta. Kata. Kata meaning is, what is that? Crow. Crow. Kata. Kata. Next one is ka wasu ka pa. Kaba. Kaba mean is the white fur on forehead called kaba. 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 Nya wasur nya meaning is, you know that one, calf. Nya. Nya. So here, without wasur, nya alone, the meaning is fish. So if we put the wasur, so that referring to meaning is calf. Nya. Nya. Cha wasur cha. Yeah, cha meaning is salt. Cha. Cha. Sha wasur sha ma naru mo. Shamo. Shamo mean is head. Head. Shamo. Shamo. Sa wasur sa. Sa meaning is nettle. So this is very famous yogi milareba food. So you can see this one. Sa. 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 Ra wasur ra. Chanaru cho. Ra cho. Ra cho meaning is horn. Ra cho. Ra cho. Ra wasur ra wa. Rawa. Rawa meaning is fence. Rawa. Rawa. That's all for today and see you in next video. Bye for now.